Good morning, students. Today we start Chapter 8 Quadrilateral Constructions and Types. In the last year, we see how to construct the triangles with the given measures. In this chapter, we see construction of quadrilateral with the given measures. Like that, when if the lengths of four sides and diagonal is given, otherwise, if the three sides and two diagonals are given, otherwise another condition is if two adjacent sides and any three angles are given, and last is if the three sides and two angles included by them are given. These all conditions we see in this chapter. Now we start practice set 8.1. These all conditions we see in this practice set. So first we take example 1. In quadrilateral MORE, length of MO equal to 5.8 cm, length of OR is 4.4 cm, measure of angle M is 58 degree, measure of angle O is 105 degree, measure of angle R is 90 degree. That means in this example, we know the two sides and three angles are given. So we see how to construct this quadrilateral. Okay. In the first example, first we draw rough diagram, quadrilateral MORE, and write down the measures in the rough diagram. So we know that the base is OR 4.4 centimeter. So first we draw base OR 4.4 centimeter. 4.4 centimeter. Draw the line 4.4 centimeter OR. Now we draw the angle O 105 degree and R is the 90 degree. Take a D, put on point O and draw the angle 105 degree. 105. This is the 105. Then draw the line. This is the angle 105 degree. Again put D on R and R angle is the 90 degree. You draw this line, angle R is 90 degree. Next, we want to point M. It is the 5.8 centimeter from point O. So, take a chalk, take distance 5.8 in your chalk. And you put chalk on point O, draw one arc, you get the point M, 5.8 centimeter. And now we want last point E. So M angle, we know the angle M is 58 degree. Put your D on angle M and take a measurement 58 degree. 50 and 58. And then join with another point. You get the point E. In this way, we draw the quadrilateral MORE. Okay, students. Now we see second example. Construct quadrilateral DEFG such that length of DE 4.5 cm, length of EF 6.5 cm, length of DG 5.5 cm, length of DF 7.2 cm, length of EG 7.8 cm. So first we draw a rough diagram DEFG. In this diagram, DF and EG are the diagonals. So first we draw the base EF 6.5 centimeter by using scale. Take one point on 0 and another 6.5. Draw the line. Give the name EF 6.5 centimeter. After that, we draw the line ED and the diagonal DF. So first you take a chalk and take distance 4.5. Make one arc on the point D, 4.5. Then you take a distance 7.2 in your chalk. And put on F and make another arc. So you get a 1 point D. Join ED and FD. After that, you take distance 5.5 in your chalk. Put your chalk on D and make one arc. Another we draw next diagonal EG 7.8 centimeter. So take a distance 7.8 in your chalk. Put on E point and make another arc. Then you get another point. This is the point G. Then you join DG GF and also EG segment. This is the quadrilateral DEFG. In this way, we have to draw the quadrilateral. Now we see example number 3. In quadrilateral ABCD, length of AB 6.4 cm, length of BC 4.8 cm, measure of angle A 70 degree, measure of angle B 50 degree and measure of angle C 140 degree. Now we see how to draw the quadrilateral ABCD with the given measures. First we draw rough diagram. This is the quadrilateral ABCD. In this base BC 4.8 centimeter. So first by using scale we draw a base BC 4.8 centimeter. Take one point on 0 and another 4.8. Draw the line. Give the name BC 4.8 centimeter. Then take D. Angle B is 50 degree. Put on point B. Take angle 50 degree. Draw line. On this line, first we draw the angle C also 140 degree. Draw this line also. Then BA is the 6.4. Take a chalk and take distance 6.4. your chop, put on point B, make one arc on this line, you get a point A, 6.4 centimeter. Again, we know that angle A is 70 degree. So take D, put on point A and take A is 70 degree. Draw the line. You get a new point. This is the point D. A is 70 degree. This is the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, students. Now we start question number 4. Construct a quadrilateral LMNO such that length of LM equal to length of LO equal to 6 centimeter. Also length of ON and length of NM equal to 4.5 centimeter and length of OM equal to 7.5 centimeter. This is the rough diagram. First we draw rough diagram LMNO. Here we take a base MN. So first we draw the base MN 4.5 centimeter. Give the name MN. 4.5 centimeter. Then we draw the point O. NO is the 4.5 centimeter. So you take a chop, take distance 4.5 centimeter. Put your chop on point N and make one arc. Again, you take a distance 7.5 in your chop. Put your chop on point M and make one arc. Then you get a point O. First you join these segments NO and MO. 4.5 centimeter. And MO is the 7.5 centimeter. Then we have to draw point L. This is the L point, is the 6 centimeter from M. So you take a distance 6 centimeter in your chop. Put your chop on point M, make one arc. Again, this is the L point, is the 6 centimeter from O. So this is the distance of 6 centimeter. So this chop you put on O also and make another arc. You get a new point and this is the point L. Then you join ML and OL segment. This is 6 centimeter and also 6 centimeter. In this way, our diagram is ready of quadrilateral LMNO. Okay, students.